I'm sure you've heard the news. There's a new product everyone is talking about, and it's a total steal. First up, let's talk design. This product looks sharp, sleek lines, premium materials, and an attention to detail that really sets it apart. You'll be proud to show this off anywhere. And here's the kicker, the price tag. Usually style and quality come with a hefty price, but this one's surprisingly affordable. I was genuinely shocked at how budget-friendly it is considering everything it offers. You don't find deals like this every day. But wait, it gets better. This product is super versatile. Whether it's enhancing your workspace, adding a touch of class to your living room, or even as a unique gift, it fits right in. It's the kind of product that always looks great and works well, no matter where you put it. Want to learn more? Check out the link in the description below. And before you go, hit like, subscribe, and don't forget the notification bell so you're always in the loop with my latest finds. Thanks for watching.